How AI is changing the world in 2025. Future trends and opportunities. Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever. But did you know that by 2025, AI will not just be assisting us, but actually transforming industries, jobs, and even our daily lives? From self-learning robots to AI-generated art, the future is already here. Stay with me till the end, because today I'll uncover the most groundbreaking AI trends of 2025 that you need to know. Welcome to Topics Explorer, the channel where we uncover the most exciting technology and AI innovations. If you're curious about AI's impact on the future, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Now, let's dive into the AI revolutions happening right now in 2025. AI in everyday life. AI is no longer a futuristic dream. It's in your pocket, home, and even your car. Smart assistants, AI tools like ChatGPT and voice assistants are becoming more powerful, answering questions in real time with almost human-like intelligence. AI in healthcare. AI can now detect diseases faster than doctors, helping save lives. Self-learning cars. Tesla and other companies are pushing AI-driven self-driving technology to the next level. Whether it's automating tasks or predicting your needs before you even ask, AI is seamlessly blending into our daily routines. AI in jobs and business. AI isn't just changing how we live, it's changing how we work. Automation and job market shift. AI-powered bots are replacing repetitive tasks, but at the same time, new AI-driven jobs are emerging. AI in business. Companies are using AI to analyze trends, make predictions, and even automate customer service, increasing efficiency. AI in finance and trading. Stock trading is now heavily influenced by AI algorithms, making instant market predictions. The real question is, are you ready to adapt future AI innovations? Now, here's where things get really exciting. AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. Scientists are working on AI that can think, learn, and act like a human on its own. AI-generated content. From writing scripts to creating art, AI is becoming a digital artist, composer, and even a writer. Humanoid robots. Imagine walking into a store and being greeted by an AI-powered human-like robot assistant. 2025 is just the beginning of AI's true potential. Opportunities. How you can benefit with AI growing at an insane speed. The biggest opportunity is learning AI yourself. AI and machine learning jobs. Companies need AI engineers, data scientists, and cybersecurity experts more than ever. Online AI courses, platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube offer AI learning for free or at a low cost. AI startups and freelancing. Many people are building businesses and automating workflows using AI. If you start learning AI today, you'll be ahead of 90% of the world. Conclusion. So, what do you think about AI in 2025? Are you excited or do you think it's scary? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome AI content every week. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video on Topics Explorer.